Hello, classmates. I want to present the idea of strategic approach to you today. A strategic strategy can be defined as a deliberate and planned method of planning and carrying out actions to accomplish particular aims or objectives. It entitles thoroughly assessing the current situation, establishing specific goals, spotting potential possibilities and difficulties, and creating a strategy to bring about the intended effects in many facets of life, including business, self improvement, and problem solving. A strategic approach is essential. It enables us to effectively handle challenging circumstances, make wise choices, and coordinate our efforts in order to achieve a common objective. Instead of relying primarily on reactive or impulsive behaviors, it entitles a methodical and forward thinking mindset. A strategic approach to personal development is establishing specific goals, assessing strengths and shortcomings, and creating a plan to reach those goals. It could entail developing new abilities, enhancing old ones, establishing priorities, and efficiently managing time. A strategic strategy is crucial for long-term success in commercial setting. To create a well thought out plan, it requires completing market research, comprehending client wants, examining the competition and recognizing trends. This strategy may include establishing financial objectives, creating marketing plans, allocating resources, and tracking results. A strategic approach to problem solving compromises investigating the underlying reasons of a situation, weighing your options, and putting the best solution into action. It might entail doing research, having a brainstorming session, assessing hazards, and thinking about long term effects. A proactive and intentional method of preparing and carrying out actions to attain desired objectives is referred to as a strategic strategy. To achieve the best results possible in a variety of spheres of life, rigorous analysis, specific goals, and meticulous planning are required. I appreciate your attention and hope that this introduction has helped you comprehend the idea of strategic approach. The advantages of strategic strategy is resource optimization. A corporation and can successfully allocate its resources, such as time, money, and human capital, to the most crucial priorities by adopting a strategic strategy. Better overall performance and effective resource management may arise from this. Next one is clear direction. By establishing explicit objectives and targets, a strategic strategy offers a clear path. It enables the business to concentrate its efforts, assets, and activities on accomplishing these goals, which may result in better performance and results. Making decisions proactively rather than reacting to problems as they emerge is encouraged by a strategic approach. It entails careful planning and analysis, enabling the business to foresee prospective problems and opportunities and make well informed decisions in advance. Next one is long term perspective. A strategic strategy involves taking the long view rather than focusing on immediate rewards. It motivates a business to think beyond short term gains and make plans for long term success. Disadvantages: the time consuming. A strategic approach calls for a thorough planning, analysis, and implementation, all of which might take time. A strategic plan may need a lot of time and money to develop and implement, which may not be possible for all businesses, especially smaller ones with limited resources. One is rigidity. In some cases, a strategic approach may lead to a rigid decision making where the company may be hesitant to deviate from the planned course of action. This can limit the company's ability to respond to changing market dynamics or take advantages of emerging opportunities. Next one is complexity. Developing and implementing a strategic approach can be complex, involving multiple stakeholders, extensive analysis, and coordination across different departments or functions within the company. Managing the complexity of a strategic planning and execution can be a challenge for some companies. A corporation can benefit from most from a strategic approach when long-term planning, resource optimization, and proactive decision making are required. When a business is coping with major obstacles or changes in the business environment, such as entering a new market, overcoming fierce competition, or navigating economic concerns, it is very helpful. Companies that are experiencing organizational changes or have ambitious growth objectives might also benefit from a strategic strategy. Examples of companies that use or have used this approach successfully are Apple, Google, Starbucks Corporation, Procter Gamble. Thank you everyone.